Why is your business only sending emails? The same type of emails that you don't even read yourself. I know hundreds of business owners who spend hours writing out long, drawn-out email sequences only to get depressing open rates and even worse click-through rates. In this video here, I'm going to show you exactly how we're consistently getting 90+% open rates and 60+% click-through rates with my unusual chatbot pattern that's consistently blowing email out of the water. And even better, at the end of this video here, I'm going to show you how you can get a clone of my proven working chatbot instantly uploaded into your account with one click and all set up and ready to go in 5 minutes. Hi, I'm Nico Moreno, creator of the #1 chatbot training program available today. And I've helped thousands of business owners all across the globe and people just like you get incredible 60 to 90% plus click-through rate and completely transform their business in just a matter of weeks using my highly profitable and highly unusual chatbot pattern. So let's hop on over to my computer screen right now and I'll show you how it works. All right, so now here we are over on my computer, and what you can see right here is this is actually the bot building software. This is the starting step right here. So we have to imagine that people are coming through our Facebook ad, and this is the first message that they get served when they interact with our chatbot. But I just quickly want to give you an overview of this unusual chatbot sequence that's been getting incredible results. So we see right here is basically we're just asking these people who are going through the bot 2 different questions. And we can actually see right here, we can see what the click-through rates are for each specific button, which is absolutely incredible. Then depending which button they click right here, they're going to get added to a specific sequence, okay? So this is much like an autoresponder sequence. Now, I know this all looks really complicated because there's a lot of steps and there's a lot of things going on right here. And it actually is. This process right here took me months of ironing out and testing, putting my own ad dollars and money to make sure that it worked correctly and got me the results that I wanted. But the best part is I've already built all this out for you, okay? And on my free webinar, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get this exact proven chatbot sequence instantly uploaded into your account in just one click. And this highly unusual yet highly profitable chatbot pattern is what's been responsible for over 7 figures in sales. And again, I know this might look daunting to you, especially if you've never used chatbots before. But guess what? You don't need to reinvent the wheel, all right? I've built out this chatbot designed to work, and it has worked for me and thousands of my clients across the globe. So all you have to do is actually plug and go. So I'm going to be showing you step by step, number 1, exactly how you can get this exact chatbot instantly uploaded into your account in one click. And then number 2, how to make just a few changes pertaining to your business and your specific offers. And then from there, you're good to go. So now, I'd like to invite you to join my free upcoming webinar on how you can implement a chatbot just like this and how you can get my unusual chatbot pattern implemented into your specific business with your specific offers. And even better than that, I'm going to show you how you can get a working chatbot clone. So literally my proven chatbot clone uploaded into your account with one single click and get it all up and running in just 5 minutes. So right now, go ahead, click the link down at the bottom of the video, and get all registered to attend this free upcoming webinar. When you click, you're going to be taken to a registration page that looks just like this, where you'll be able to enter your info, choose the time that works the best for you, and then you can click register and you'll be all set to attend the free upcoming webinar. Remember, in this completely free upcoming training webinar, I'm going to show you my exact chatbot pattern, the one that's consistently generating me 90% plus open rates and 60+% click-through rates. So I'm going to be teaching you the exact chatbot pattern that's generated well over 7 figures in sales and how you can implement this proven strategy into your specific business and make it work for your specific offers, all in a matter of hours. So go ahead, click the link right here down at the bottom of the screen and get all registered to attend this completely free upcoming webinar. Because if you're watching this video right now, it means there's a webinar coming up very soon, so don't miss it. So click the link down below right now to get all registered to attend my free webinar, and I'll see you there.